Janties. They're fresh, they're denim, they're... What is even going on here? Are Janties as terrible as they look, or is this ridiculous fashion trend something you would add to your wardrobe? Stick around as I make and test out Janties so that you don't have to. First, I need a pair of jeans. I'll be using this pair that I thrifted. They're a bit snug and the rise is a bit awkward, but they looked closest to the jeans used in Janties. You'll see how I fix the size problems later. Also, the $5.99 price tag is a steal compared to the original retail value of $315. I'll start with drawing the outline for the cut. Janties are described as mid-rise without a specified cut, but to me they look styled after a high-cut bikini, so that's what I'll be going for. I'm using a chalk pencil to mark the outline, and trust me, if you're even considering wearing Janties, this line being straight is the least of your worries. Now I'm going to cut off the excess material, but just leave enough so that I can tweak the hemline throughout the process. Or if you're going for some Dennis Reynolds style cutoffs, you can just stop here.
I can go lower.
Bro, that is badass.
Now I'm going in and pinning the hem to my outline. Before finalizing the hem, I used excess material from the pant leg to extend the crotch and fix the size issues. It's time to sew the hem. While sewing, I pulled out the pocket so that it can still be used later. We'll get to that in a minute. Janties are listed as having a 3-pocket styling, but the site never specifies whether these are accent pockets or functional pockets. So I decided to salvage the original pockets and give these Janties the least bit of functionality. Because the pocket extends past the hem, I had to sew the pocket shut along the hem so that I can safely cut off the excess material. Then I sewed the side shut. And here's our ridiculously tiny pocket, which looks like it's big enough to fit a dime or maybe a bobby pin. After finessing the hem a bit more and washing off the tailor's chalk, here are the finished Janties. Alright, let's go test them out. So what do you guys think? Would you wear Janties? Or should we all just pretend they never happened? I hope you enjoyed this ridiculous DIY. Please consider liking and subscribing so that this channel might eventually achieve partner status.